Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Just a quick one today then. We are going to be swapping out the spoiler on my BMW E46 Touring, and the reason that I'm going to be swapping it out is because this one has quite a bad gash in it where it's obviously gone through the paint, and I actually have another spare one that's in better condition. This one's kind of a bit dirty around the washer valve, I should call it, and yeah, the other one is just in a bit better shape in general. So because I have a spare one, I may as well go ahead and swap it out. Now, to remove this, it's pretty simple, to be honest. All you need to do is lift up the glass part of the tailgate. Then you will see this cover here. Now underneath this cover there is 4 bolts holding the spoiler in place. Now if you are not careful, this trim piece will break. Well, the clips will break in it, and as you can see on this one, looks like someone's been in here once before and all of the clips have in fact broken off, well apart from this one on the end. And is there any intact on this side? No, I don't believe there is. It's a pretty common problem, to be honest. They get brittle, they get stuck in these clips, and then they just snap off. It's not a massive problem, but do try and avoid it if you can. But I'll show you exactly where the 4 bolts are then. So there's one there, one there, one there, and then one there, of course. Now all we need to do is remove them. They are 10mm bolts, and then the spoiler itself should come away from the glass, and then we have a couple of connections to unplug. Yeah, don't just go ahead and yank this off because you will snap those connections. So then let's start removing those 10mm bolts. And now that we have all 4 of the bolts removed, the spoiler should lift up. Like I said, you want to be very careful lifting it because there is a couple of connectors. The first one we can go and remove then is just the water inlet for the valve here for the nozzle. Just go ahead and pull that off. There we are, that's that one removed. There is an electrical connector on this side which we should be able to just push in. There we are, that's that one removed, and all that's left is this one in the middle, and there we are then. That is the middle ribbon cable removed. Now the spoiler should just come away from the car. There we are. So because it might have been a little bit difficult to see, I'll just explain kind of what I'd done. So this one here then, this just pulls off of the water nozzle for the rear windscreen. This one is just a electrical connector. You just push these tabs and then pull this off. And then the middle one, you have the ribbon cable going from the third brake light into this module here. Now what I've done is, because this plastic was obviously sealed like so, I've just cut a small hole in it and then unplugged that and then fed it through, and then what I'm going to do is plug our new connector in and then push that down and then just tape it back up. But before we go ahead and install our new spoiler, as always, I'm just going to give this whole area a good clean up because yeah, it's filthy. There we are then, much better. I've actually went ahead and put some fresh tape on this cable here as well, because all this tape that was underneath, it yeah, all just kind of fell off. So this cable here was just flapping around, but yeah, it should be a little bit more secure in there now. Let's get the new spoiler on anyway. So. And then just the water feed pipe. There we are. Now before we go ahead and bolt this down, I'm just going to make sure that everything works. You tell me if the brake lights are working. Yeah. All of the third one as well. So then the washer jet is working, and so is the third brake light. And now what's left is to reinstall these 4 bolts. And there we are then, with all 4 bolts reinstalled. Now they don't need to be tight, it's probably, I don't know, 10 Newton meters or less. You do not need to tighten these down very much. It's only gone into plastic. But yeah, as you can see, this one is in much better condition. Even like the nozzle, it's not like all green and mouldy. But yeah, we don't have any like paint removed on this one. It has got like a few minor scratches, as does the other one, but I think most of these will polish out. It just needs a good clean now, really. But yeah, well worth doing. You know, like I said, I did have this one spare because I bought the replacement tailgate, so I thought I may as well stick this one on. Much better. Okay then, so that is the spoiler on the BMW E46 Touring project now replaced. I hope this video has been somewhat helpful. Remember, if you are doing it yourself, it is a very easy job, but you do have to be careful with those electrical connectors, especially the ribbon cable in the middle. You know, be careful not to snap it. If you do, then your third brake light will likely not work. Well, it won't work, but yeah, I hope this video has been helpful. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please remember to give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one.